You can survive a bruise. You can handle a scraped knee. But there is one enemy that brings even the strongest human to their knees: a piece of paper. Why? Why does a tiny slice from a dead tree hurt more than bumping your head on a doorframe? Welcome to Biological Basics. Today, we are investigating the paper cut paradox. We're going to look at the microscopic saw hidden in your notebook, the drama queen nerves in your fingertips, and why bleeding might actually be a good thing. First, let's look at the weapon. To your naked eye, this paper looks smooth, but if we zoom in with a microscope, look at that. It's a disaster. It's not a straight line. It is a jagged microscopic chainsaw. When a knife cuts you, it slices cleanly, but paper rips, tears, and shreds your skin. It's a messy injury. You just can't see the mess because it's so small. Second, let's talk about the victim, your finger. Your fingertips are the divas of the human body. They are incredibly high maintenance. Why? Because this is how we explore the world. Your back? It has hardly any sensors. You could poke your back with 2 pencils and it would feel like one. But your fingertips are packed with nociceptors. These are your body's pain alarms. When that jagged paper rips through your finger, it wakes up 2 teams of nerves. First, the A delta fibers. They are fast. They send that initial ouch signal to your brain, faster than a text message. Then the C fibers wake up. These guys are annoying. They cause that slow, burning, throbbing pain that lasts for 10 minutes. They are basically saying, hey, remember you were injured? Hey, don't touch anything. Now, here is the cruelest part, the lack of blood. Usually, when you get cut, you bleed. Blood clots and forms a scab. This is nature's Band-Aid. It seals the wound and protects the nerves from the air. But paper cuts are often too shallow to cut the major blood pipes. This leaves the nerves wide open and exposed to the air. Every time the air touches them, pain. Every time tiny chemicals from the paper irritate them, pain. It is an open door with no security guard. Finally, your body overreacts. It releases chemicals like histamines and prostaglandins. These cause inflammation. Essentially, your immune system screams, "We are under attack," and makes the area red and sensitive. It's a biological alarm system designed to make sure you stop using that finger until it heals. So, how do you fix it? Don't just suck on it. Wash it, it will sting, sorry, and cover it immediately with a bandage or liquid skin. You need to do the job your blood didn't do. Seal the wound from the air. So, the next time a piece of paper defeats you, don't feel weak. You are fighting a microscopic saw with open nerve endings. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Carefully, don't cut yourself on the mouse button.